Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to thank everyone right now, okay? Everyone who's been supporting me up to this point. Because in the last 28 days, alright? In the last 28 days, I've gotten 41 subscribers, okay? And that's beautiful. That's amazing, alright? I have 73 subscribers right now. And this is all thanks to you guys commenting and liking and sharing some videos. I've gotten like 3 shares in the last 28 days also. And I have great plans for this channel, alright? I have like beautiful plans, alright? You want to hear them? Listen. My plans for this channel is to get a bunch of subscribers, okay? A lot of them. So eventually I could afford some hair implants. Yeah, guys, help this guy get some hair implants, dude, because right now my confidence is to the ground. And let me tell you why my confidence is to the ground right now. It sucks, dude. It really sucks going bald. Fucking 30 years old, just going completely bald. When I was a young guy, a young man, maybe like before 21, like 21 and under, dude, the ladies would always tell me I had the most luscious, beautiful, voluminous hair. Okay, I always got compliments for my hair. It was nice, dude. I did not have a receding hairline. Maybe I did, but I did not notice it at that time. But my hair was nice, luscious, beautiful. It was long. Well, not long to my shoulders, but it was puffy. Oh man, I missed my hair. But yeah, and right now, like when I realized that I can't hide my forehead anymore, I just boom did a buzz cut. But if you guys help me comment, you know, if you, by commenting, by liking, by sharing and everything, this channel is gonna go whoop up, and I'm gonna be able to afford some hair implants. All right, yeah. And I'll help you guys too. I'll give you a hand. You know, hey bro, I'm going bald too. Give me a hand. I'm like, yeah, bro, here goes 20K. Go get yourself some hair implants. All right. So enough of that. Let's begin. All right, let's begin. So right now we are in programming project number 2 from the book a C programming language, a modern approach by Code&Camp. We are on the programming project number 2. All right, chapter 3, formatting input and output. So let's begin by reading the prompt. Write a program that formats product information entered by the user. A session with a program should look like this. Enter item number 583. Enter unit price 13.5. So we could already tell that our variables are going to be an int and a float. Enter purchase date, month, day, year. So we're going to have an int, a float, and then another int. Excuse me, I just had a lunch right now. Now our formatted output should look like this: item, unit price, and purchase date. Okay, and this is formatted output right here. Oh, okay, thank you. You can leave it right there. Okay. Sorry, that's my kid. That is my kid. Let's continue. The item number. Okay, so if you take a look at this right now, we got the item, that unit price, and the purchase date. All right, and it's formatted really nicely. The item number and date should be left justified. The unit price should be right justified. Allow dollar amounts up to $9,999.99. Hint: use tabs to line up the columns. All right. Let's begin. We are 4 minutes. Let's try to get this under 25 minutes, all right? Under 25 minutes. So let's go to the terminal now. Terminal. This is where we left off last time. We clear. Let's see what we have here. ls. We have exercise 1, which we did in the last video. Now let's make a new one. Vim exercise 1 2C. Beautiful. All right, so let's begin. You know the drill. You guys know the drill already. For those who've been watching, and for those new ones, these are our header files. Include stdio.h and main void. All right, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's beautiful. So if I remember correctly, we had 3 variables: int, and float, or int, float, int. All right, and then for our item number, a float for our unit price, and another int for our year. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that right now. Okay. So int item number, int date. But the date should be divided like on at our other problem we did in our last video, correct? By month, day, and year. So we're gonna need int day, int month, and then int year. Is that a lot? No, I think we're good. Yeah. So int item number, int day, int month, and int year. Okay, beautiful. And now our float, which is our only float we have in this program, price num, or price amount, or price num, bro. No, just price. Float price. All right, float price. Now we do our printf. Yeah, let's prompt our user. Scanf. It's the same drill, guys. It's the same thing. Okay, I'm saying that for myself, because sometimes like I try to overthink stuff and overcomplicate. Oh, okay. Shh, I'm recording, right? That's my kid. All right. Yeah, like I was saying, I overthink stuff sometimes. Let's begin. Printf. Enter item number. Enter the item number. Okay, we got that. Scanf. Oh, thank you. Love you. Thank you. My kid just gave me some cereal. All right. Scanf. Item number. What's the item number? It's an item number. That's the item number. The item number is the item number. Okay. And now, okay. Now we're gonna tell the user to enter that unit price. Printf and enter unit price. Beautiful. I'm a hacker now. Scanf. It was a float, correct? And then price, address price. I know you guys realized that I'm using the little address symbol. For those who have not been watching, I don't know why we're using the address symbol, but at some point in the book, later on in the book, we're gonna learn about it. It's chapter 20, I think, if I'm correct. All right, so yeah, you guys are looking at the terminal. Okay, enter. Okay, now let's prompt our user so we could enter our purchase date. All right, printf. So we're 8 minutes. All right, I'm gonna try to do this before the mark 25. If I don't do this correctly, I'm gonna drown myself. Enter. Bye. Love you. Enter purchase date. Yeah, my kid just left right now. Enter purchase date. You guys might be wondering, right, why I'm worried about my hair falling off and all that if I'm already married and I have a wife, right? It's just for me. It's just for my ego. Because as a man, this is affecting my mental health. I don't know, I'm just joking. It's not affecting my mental health, but it is affecting my, what do you call it? My self-confidence, right? Dude, like, the only thing I have right now for me going is not getting fat, right? I don't want to be fat and bald, right? I don't want people saying, look at that bald man walking over there. So your subscriptions actually do help a lot, right? All right, let's continue. So much talking. Enter purchase date, and then the it has to be formatted like what was it? It has to be formatted by month, day, and a year. Likewise, like this. All right, now we scan F. Scan F. I'm thinking, yeah, the same thing we did in our last, what's it called? Programming project, like this. Beautiful. Eventually, I want to get like so good at programming. I want to do videos like Fire Chip. Thank you. Oh no, no, thank you. Go with mom. Scan F. Scan F. Scan F. So we need a month. Do we do month? Yeah. And we need a day. And we need year. We need a year. Okay. Month. Day. Why did I write day with the T? Oh wow. Oh wow. And year. Whew. Oh, we are at 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Okay. Scan F. Month, day, and year. Enter purchase date. And now here comes the tricky part. We have to format this so that it looks well, it looks presentable on your terminal. So this is where I'm gonna probably have a little bit of trouble. I might like compile, recompile, and move stuff around. I might not get it on the first try, but I'm gonna try, because if you guys remember, right, if we go back to our prompt, it has to look like this, like item, and then they have like a tab. So there's like tabs in between. Oops. There's tabs in between item, unit, and price. What was it? I didn't know I could do that. Oh wow. Woo. Okay. And then hola. Shh. I'm recording, okay? All right. So we have tabs, and then we have like new lines. So the numbers go underneath our labels. Let's try this. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. You know what's crazy is that I don't know what's crazy. Let's stop talking. Let's get this finished. We are 13 minutes in now. Printf. Item, and then there's tabs, right? Yeah. And then unit price, and then another tab. Yeah, tab, unit price, tab, and then we have purchase. Yeah, purchase. Yeah, item number, unit price, and purchase. Yeah, because we have to make it like wrap. We have to make this wrap around. So item, unit, we have to like, okay, this has to wrap somehow. Item, unit, and purchase. Let's compile this right now, okay? Remember, I don't want to overthink all this. GCC output x2 x2.c. Oh, bro, I'm so, oh my god. You see that error right there? I put int item number, int day, and month, and year. Oh my god, dude, that's such an amateur error right there. Oh, bang your head, Johnny. Bang your head on the table. Quit programming. All right, vmx. Man, how does this happen, guys? Come on, this shouldn't be happening to me. This should not be happening to me. I know there's a faster way to use Vim so that you could delete like some keywords. No, I'm not that advanced yet. All right, we'll quit. Let's do this again. Okay, printf. I forgot that little semicolon at the end of the printf line 17. Let's do this. Where is it at? Oh yeah, 16. We're gonna jump over there. The last line. Okay, there we go. Perfect. X2. Okay, enter item number 868. Unit price $14.03. The date 12/31 2024. Item number, unit, purchase. Okay, so we see the item, unit, and purchase, but we need item number, unit price, and purchase date. We're getting there. Okay, before 25 minutes. Come on, let's get this going. So item number, unit, item, unit, and purchase. So it has to wrap around, and the way we're gonna make it wrap around is we're gonna use 2 tabs right here. Okay, so there's a double tab right there, and yeah, because if we go to our prompt, price and date are right under their labels. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. It has to go like on a new line under them. So I have to purchase and do a new line and then a tab, as you see right there. Okay, so item number, unit, and then 2 tabs, purchase, and then new line to start on a new line, and then tab that, right? Yeah. And then, okay, after that tab, we're gonna write our price. Okay. Oh. All right, so price is gonna go right here. Price is gonna go there, and then our double tab for date, and then we're gonna do a new line right there. Beautiful. Okay, I think that should work. Let's try this. This should work. Oh man, it's 18 minutes. Okay, I'm getting nervous. Enter item number. 23. Okay, enter unit price, $23.05. Purchase date 12/13/1995. Item, unit price, and purchase date. Beautiful. We're getting there. Item, unit price, and purchase date. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Let's do this. We got this, boys. We got this. And now we're gonna print our product details now. Okay. So the first thing we got here, and then a tab for this one, for the first thing, the item number, and then we got our what's it called, our float. Yeah, our float too. Yeah, that's our float right there. And then 19 minutes. Oh, okay. Float. Am I boring you guys going like this and like talking and getting cut off all the time? How can I make this more entertaining, right? Leave a comment down there, like how like I could make it more entertaining. so my retention time is longer. So tab obviously is gonna be the, oh yeah, this tab is gonna be our date. Just like that. That's our date. And then our new line. And oh, you know what? I forgot my quotes. I forgot my quotation marks. How does that happen? I don't know how that happened. But there we go. Item number. Item number. And then the price. And then it's month, day, and year. Is there a better way to do the date? Okay, let's try this now. Ooh, pray to God. Ooh. No errors. No errors. Beautiful. Well done, John. Enter item number. Enter unit price, $23 with 4 cents. 12/31, 2024. Item number. Unit price. Purchase date.
Papa.
Beautiful.
Papa.
That's beautiful.
Teta.
Oh yeah? Go with mom. I'll be outside right now, okay? Ve con mamá.
No quiero con mamá.
¿No quieres mamá? Okay. Beautiful, guys. Perfect. That's perfection. That's what you call being smart. But I can't cuss. My daughter's here. This is what you call being a smart butt. I'm a smart butt. My fucking brain. Maybe that's why I'm losing hair. Cause like I'm, as I get older, I'm getting wise and getting very intelligent, knowledgeable, and my brain is just like constantly just burning calories and constantly doing little small explosions, and that's the reason why I'm losing hair. Anyways, that's it. We got it done. We got it done. You know, it'll be really good if I already was at that point where I know how to like work the file system using C, so I could like write this into a file. That'd be beautiful. But I'm not there yet. I'm trying to take it slow, because in the past, whenever I'm learning something, I always want to rush and like learn everything at once, and this information goes in my brain and then it goes out the other side, and I forget what I learned. So right now I'm taking it easy. Smooth, enjoying the waves, enjoying the ride, okay? And you gotta do the same thing. Don't rush it, right? Read and read again and reread and do the exercises and practice, all right? And get understand algorithms. That's the most important thing. I used to think that wasn't important, that only if you were gonna pursue like a math career or something that was important. But no, as a programmer, you're better suited, right? Knowing algorithms is like suits you better. You become an expert. You know things that other people don't know, and that makes you 10 times more valuable. I think that's what I've read. So we got this done already. Item, unit price, and purchase date. Let's run it one more time. Item number 567, unit price $88 with 90 cents. Enter date 11/24/2024. Beautiful, gorgeous. That's the same way they, yeah. Oh, you know what? But I forgot the little dollar symbol. I forgot the little dollar symbol. I'll do that some other time. Yeah, you figure it out. I'll leave that for an exercise for you, okay? I know the answer. I just want you to do it. All right, guys. So like I've said before I want to finish this video, and damn, look, 24 minutes, right? Under 24 minutes. But let's make this video a little bit more longer. So like I was saying, right? In the last 28 days, I've gotten 41 subscribers. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Amazing. Back in that day, all right? Back like a couple, like maybe like a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, right? When I was way younger, I used to do YouTube. and I used to do like reading scary stories from YouTube, from Reddit. So I used to do videos. I used to do YouTube videos reading scary stories from Reddit, and I would translate them to Spanish, so the Spanish audience knew what was going on with these like Reddit stories, because there's a lot more stories in English. So I wanted my Hispanic, my Latino audience to hear these stories, and it did not go well. All right, it took me, I swear, okay, I was putting in time. I was like, I was reading these stories and translating them into Spanish, okay, and I was trying to do like high quality videos with the equipment I had, with the software I had. It wasn't great, right? It wasn't like really great, amazing videos, but they were okay videos. They were watchable, all right. And it took me almost a year, right, to get 100 subscribers. A year, 1 year to get 100 subscribers, okay. And now it's only gotten since April, since I started uploading in April, I think. Let me see when I started. Okay, when did I? Okay, so I can't really tell, but I started. I did this YouTube channel a while ago, but I've never posted anything. All right, I started posting like 2 months ago, and in these last like 2 months, I've gained 70 subscribers. 70. Okay. I've gained 70 subscribers in these past months, and now I'm almost at 100 subscribers. When I was doing my other YouTube videos, it took me a year to get 100 subscribers, okay? And that was only like family members and stuff. And now these subscribers are real people. They're not just family members. And I really appreciate that, guys. Like, it's amazing. Almost hitting 100 subscribers in less than a couple months. Hopefully, like, by the end of the year, I have like 500 subscribers. That would be awesome. Around this time, having 500 subscribers, that would be cool. And like I've said, I got plans to get hair implants. And if you subscribe, if you comment, if you like and share, that's amazing. And you're helping this bald man regain his confidence.